Now the next thing that I need to do is the subject in question, to bring in the subject in question. This is the man that is afraid that the viper is going to attack, and we don't know if the viper actually attacked the man. The man was already begging. Decrease the size of the man. Okay, it's already begging the viper, please don't attack me. And the viper was just looking, hey, what are you doing here? You putting on the suit and you are the forest. The man, maybe the man is a tourist. Okay, and in the middle of the night with this kind of viper. Okay, perfectly placed, and maybe like this. Okay, perfectly placed. Now the man is already renamed. I want to go ahead and add levels to the layer. Always clip it to the man. Okay, I want to remove some highlights like this. Maybe increase some highlights. Well, no. Some contrast out of it. Okay, and the next thing, I need to go ahead and add color balance. Always clip it to the man, and more of a signish color dress, just like this. Perfect. Like this is okay. I can go ahead and add a new layer. Take the brush sign and want to flatten this brush just a little bit like this. Okay, and I just want to hit here, Ctrl Z, make sure the foreground color is black, and select black. From here, hit on OK, just hit here. The color is not showing. That is because the opacity of the brush is too low. Hit on the thumbnail, Ctrl A, and cancel. Okay, now increase the opacity of the brush and increase the flow as well to be 100. I just need to click here, Ctrl Z, here. Okay, and this place as well. What I can possibly do is to come back to the opacity and decrease it little bit. And this is it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next video, and we'll continue from where we stopped.